Hey guys, how's it going? Just making another quick video here, and this time around it's the Motorola G Play 2024. Pretty good phone. It's one of the budget phones out there, but it's got good camera, good battery life, good graphics. Processor is pretty good, snappy. Overall looks really good with this blue silver finish that they have on there. Whoa, that looks slick, and it's square, so you can actually, let's see, if you really wanted to, let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can stand it. No, I can't even stand it. But anyways, there's got that one straight side there, and then there's two buttons, actually three buttons, because one is a fingerprint sensor here. I'll show you. Let's see if I can. Yeah, so it's pretty snappy. Boom. You can also set it for other fingers too, like this, right? Boom. So we got the OEM case. This is the OEM Motorola case here. I do find it a little slippery, right? But it looks really slick, right? Like this. Motorola always has like really nice phones, like the finish. USB-C, I like that it has a audio jack. The top here, sorry. And yeah, like the graphics is really good too, like all the games and the in their ecosystem here in the Motorola. I do find sometimes you do have to be connected. So if you're connected, right, you see that real quick? So they have to make sure. But then again, there's other ways around it. You can load up the APKs. The APKs are what's great about the the Android system. You could just load. I could just load the whole phone without even connecting to the internet, right? Just using APK. So let's try to play around here. I still haven't found a way to do the curves. All right, so it's my turn here. Let's pick this one real quick. I'm gonna move here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. Strike action. So anyways, okay, let's get out of here. Another thing about the Motorola is it's kind of it's tricky because here, let me get rid of this one. The back button, there's no back button. You could put a back button, but I'm not used to the back being on this side. Oops, sorry. On this side, I'd rather have it here. So I opted, you can only choose from the taskbar or swipe action, right? So let's say if you're, I don't know, if you're in, if you're in an app and you want to just swipe back, you have to do that. So that's the swiping action. All right, let's test some other apps here. TikTok. Let's see how snappy that is. And this is the Eclipse. And there you have it. Eclipse Day. Is that in Toronto or Niagara Falls? Let's go through some of these. Let's go through some of these right here. So pretty snappy, right?
Oh, Edward. We've been seeing this everywhere, so let's.
Right, really snappy. Yeah, overall it's great. Let's see if I can.
Set the bar, well, that's a new low. Run up the numbers, showing them how I've been doing it. I do not gatekeep. All of the come up, blowing up first like blue shell. Shout out K-Key. All in abundance, stacking up all of the accolades now, and it's waist deep. I'm wearing.
All right. What else is there? Oh, one bad thing, it takes a long time to charge. So this is I think a 5,000 milliamp battery built in. So it lasts a long time. I haven't put in the SIM card in there yet because I just got it, but I think you have to really get one of those 15-watt chargers because the typical brick chargers, it took forever. So this is how it looks with the case on. Looks pretty slick. Let me focus here, guys. Sorry. All right, let me clean it up a bit here. All right, so it looks pretty slick. Nice OEM case. I don't know what I got on there. Sorry. Very grippy, right? Let's see here. And the headphone jack, not big enough. I couldn't plug into my stereo the other day, but it's okay. I just kind of went like this, but still I didn't want to do that, but whatever. Yeah, I got the mic and the USB, and yeah, I'll show you I guess the Moto. There's a radio if you want to play radio. Let's see if I can focus this. I'll deal with that later. Where's that Moto app? Moto. So this is sort of like the portal. Oh wait, this is just games. Where does it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, games, I guess. That's what it is. It was like a Motorola thing. The games portal. Oh, you know what? All these I downloaded through APK, so it doesn't appear in the games menu here. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here are all the games that I've got. This one's pretty good, actually. All right. Pretty violent, but in terms of like testing the sound and everything, let's check it out. Start mission. Anyway, suicide bombs. I forgot what my mission was. Alright, what the heck? Is it this guy? Oh, whoops. All right. Kill the suicide bomber. The new wave is specific. All right. Let's try to find the suicide bomber here, guys. So all in all, like I'm just trying to go through the graphics and the screenplay here. Very simple game. Obviously, it's not testing much, but like the gameplay is all right. Like, the sound is good. Alright, I don't know who this is. It this guy? Okay, it is this guy. Alright, so here's the back. So I got used to it. I like how it's you can access it from anywhere. But a lot of swiping going on with the navigation through screens and stuff. Let's just go somewhere that doesn't have any swearing or any suggestive cursing or anything. Let's see. Okay, maybe not this one. Okay, hold up.
I be eating noodles, we sit down and eat sashimi. You say you a gangster, just be like that when you see me.
Okay.
You can't ask the odds, we know for...
Okay, enough of that. So overall, the batteries, the charging takes a long time, but it's a huge battery. For the amount, less than $250, you know, maybe you can get it lower. I like that it's got that quick fingerprint reader and it's pretty snappy. I like the ecosystem that Motorola has set up, and yeah, there's a few other things that I'm sure I missed here, but overall I wanted to just, you know, give you guys that another little video here of the new Motorola. I don't know if I'm going to keep it now though, because the battery takes so long to charge. Okay, that is huge for me coming from Samsung, where it takes maybe, I don't know, an hour to fully charge from totally empty, and you know, those fast chargers. So maybe I have to change up the battery charger pod, the cable thing, which this does not come with. It comes with the cable, but not the charging pod itself. Okay, so maybe I need to get like a higher power one. But overall, like, I don't like it. Also, it doesn't have too much of a wide angle. You know, I like wide angle, but like the graphics and the screen and everything is pretty good. You know, quick portrait mode. So let's see here. See how quick and easy that was for portrait mode. Back to photo. You know, it's really easy to use, right? I do like that it has the I keep not paying attention to this, sorry guys. I like that it has the dual capture, so that's really cool. Night vision, time lapse. So time lapse is awesome for like hyper speed, right? So let's do dual capture video. So you see that? What's up, guys? How's it going? And then I'm gonna switch it so it's like this. All right, so you can take videos like this even, right, as a vlog, or like just documenting, right? And it works really well for dual capture, so that's really cool. I like that. I like that feature. How often am I going to use that? I don't know, right? But it's something that was unique. I didn't, so everything else, slow motion, I don't really use, but yeah, just basically I just wish they had like a little bit wider of a lens. But it was really convenient, like, boom, boom. If you want to take pictures, something real close, it's very responsive. There's no lag and there's not much of the budget phone characteristics that you might find, right? So they did a good job. I think the chipset is really good too. So like the processor is really fast. There's tons of room for updates, and well, I should say the years. I think they support 5 years of the updates. But there's tons of room for RAM. I think this was 6 meg RAM, or let me just see here. So the gplay for 4 gig and 64 gigabyte internal. All right, so there it is. Testing out this new camera holder, and it's kind of sucky here, but regardless, it does the job. I hope you enjoyed it, and it helps you make a decision on whether to get this phone or not. Overall, if I was to use it, I gotta test it with the faster charge battery, but overall it's not bad. I really like the look of it with the OEM case, and I like the feel, and it's definitely not, it does not feel slippery at all. It doesn't feel cheap, so I love the feel of it. I love that there's an audio jack, so I could just, I work in the garage. Sometimes I just plug in. I have an old school thing, or Bluetooth when you're in the car. But other than that, guys, this is it. Gplay. Hope you enjoyed it. 2024. Take it easy. Oh, don't forget to add any suggestions on the battery charger in the comments. But other than that, take it easy. Till the next one.